everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you're having a great day. I have unbagging today, so let's go ahead and get into it. Got my blade. Alright, let's see what I got in the mail. I hope everybody's doing great. Getting ready to go to Loon Bay, so I'll be doing vlogging there. Pretty fun in our RV. Alright, so I got Pikmin 4. That's what it looks like. Is anybody playing Pikmin 4? I played the demo. It looked pretty fun. So definitely download the demo and play that. You can play a little bit on the demo, and then if you really like it, I highly recommend getting the game. Yeah, I thought it was going to be kind of fun. The release date was July 21st, so you should be able to pick it up in the store. I pre-ordered it just in case, because sometimes they do sell out, but then they do restock too. So yeah, definitely check it out. I've been playing Animal Crossing, which is one of my faves. So anybody like Animal Crossing? Let me know in the comments below. All right, let's see. Oh, okay, this is the artwork. This is the front, and that's the back. And then there's your little game for your Switch. All right, sorry about the glare, but that's kind of the way it works, unfortunately. All right, how many gamers out there over 50 years old still playing games? Yeah, it's a lot of fun. And I did pick up something today. I'm going to be researching a new bag that I picked up, and I'll give you some details on that. So definitely like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's always appreciated because I do gaming, I have luxury, I have lifestyle, I have RVing, a lot of fun stuff. So definitely subscribe to my channel. All right, until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks again for watching. Bye now.